This is the second video for class 10th chapter acid, base and salt. In the previous video we have studied about that what is an acid and what is an base. In this video we will study whenever an acid come in contact with a metal, hydrocarbonate, metal oxide, what are changes taking place and what are the uses of acid in our life. Let's start. First of all, whenever an acid react with metal, it always form salt and water, salt and hydrogen. Now I am taking some metals, that is Zn, second one Na, sodium, Fe, and let's react with HCl, it is an acid. All this we should take a dilute acid. इसको भी HCl से ले रहे हैं, एक और ले रहे हैं Zn को, इसको हम लोग H2SO4 से रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं. These are the metals and it reacting with an acid. What it will form? It will form salt and hydrogen gas. Then what it will form? It will form ZnCl2 plus H2. Na react with HCl, it will form NaCl plus H2. Now we have to balance it. Balance कर लीजिएगा आप लोग. When Fe react with 2HCl, then it will form FeCl2 plus H2. Sorry, Cl. Okay. Now Zn reacting with H2SO4. What will form? ZnSO4. ZnSO4 plus H2. In all this reaction, what is formed? It is forming salt and hydrogen, salt, hydrogen, salt, hydrogen, salt and hydrogen. So the first one, whenever an acid react with a metal, it always forms salt and hydrogen. Okay. Now we will see the next one. Next one दूसरा देखते हैं. Whenever an acid react with metal carbonate, metal carbonate, metal carbonate react with an acid, what it will form? It will form salt, carbon dioxide and H2. Now I am taking some metal carbonate, that is CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Now sodium carbonate, NaCO3, third one MgCO3. These are all carbonates, and now it reacting with, let it react with H2SO4, let it react with HCl, and this one also with HCl. And what will form? CaSO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. MgCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Try to balance it. आप अपने से बैलेंस करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा. In all this reaction, ये सारे रिएक्शन में salt, carbon dioxide and water is formed. Second one is whenever a metal carbonate react with acid, it always form salt, carbon dioxide and water. Now let's move to third one. When it react with hydrocarbonate, when it react with metal hydrocarbonate, metal acid react with metal hydrocarbonate, hydrogen carbonate, it always form salt, CO2 plus H2O. Let's take some example. some metal hydrocarbonate को लेते हैं. पहले NaHCO3, it is the hydrocarbonate, metal hydrocarbonate. NaH, again we'll take it this one only. Let it react with first one HCl as second with H2SO4. What it will form? NaCl. What will form? NaCl plus CO2 plus H2. NaSO4. NaSO4 plus 2CO2 plus H2O. Whenever an acid reacts with metal hydrocarbonate, it always forms salt, carbon dioxide and water, and same as carbonate. Now let's move to the fourth one. Fourth one move करते हैं. Metal oxide. That is metal oxide. Metal oxide reacting with an acid, it forms salt and H2O. Now take CaO, calcium oxide, and magnesium oxide. Let's see. Let's do one experiment. Experiment करते हैं. Suppose take this one. Tube ले लेते हैं. And it is having CaO, calcium oxide, and the color of it will be black. इसका color क्या होगा? Now add an acid. Acid डालते हैं, that is HCl. When the acid HCl it react with, when metal oxide react with an acid, it form a salt. What will form? CaCl. But the color of CaCl2 will be bluish green. Whenever a metal oxide react with an acid, metal oxide किसी भी acid के साथ react करेगा, it always forms salt and water. That is CaO metal oxide है और ये HCl के साथ react कर रहा है. That it forming CaCl2 and H2O. And whenever an metal, that is metal oxide MgO, also reacting with H2SO4 के साथ react कर देते हैं. What it will form? MgSO4 plus H2O. Okay. These are the reaction taking place whenever a metal react with an acid. Now what are the uses of an acid? Where and it is has been used. Acid is used in many places for many purposes. Some example I am going to give. That is first for H2SO4. Where it is used in a battery. Now second one is nitric acid, HNO3. It is from ammonium nitrate बनाने में मदद करता है. और ammonium nitrate where it is in a fertilizer. Second one, that is HCl. It is used for cleaning toilet. Now third one is carbonic acid, जो आप लोग बार बार पूछ रहे हैं, and it is used in a soft. There are some uses of an acid. That all about the acid and what the things happen when it come in react with metal carbonate, metal hydrocarbonate, metal oxide, and this what are the uses of an acid. Thank you.